Traders, if you think running an AI trading bot just means installing some software and then letting it do its thing, we need to talk. Because in 2026, AI trading isn't just software anymore. It's about horsepower, real computing horsepower. If your machine isn't built for AI, your so-called advanced trading robot is basically a Ferrari engine bolted to bicycle wheels. Today, I'm showing you the optimal AI trading bot machine for 2026. What parts matter, why they matter, and what actually gives you an execution edge. Because speed doesn't just matter in trading, it compounds. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the CPU. Your processor is the decision traffic controller. It feeds data to the AI model. It handles platform execution. It risk checks. It routes orders. And it handles the background processes. Everything. If your CPU is slow, your AI doesn't think slower, it just waits longer to act. And in trading, delay equals slippage. And slippage equals worse fills. And worse fills equals smaller profits, or even worse, bigger losses. And here's a mistake a lot of people make. They think AI trading means you need a massive core count processor, like the AMD Threadripper or the Intel Xeon, like nuclear reactor level stuff. No. Most trading platforms and a lot of AI inference workloads still depend heavily on single thread performance and fast responsiveness, not raw core count. Buying a gigantic server CPU for trading is like bringing a cargo ship to a jet ski race. What you actually want is extremely high clock speed on top-tier single-thread power, plus strong multi-core support when needed. Think CPUs like the top-end Ryzen 9 or the Intel Core Ultra 9 chips. They have elite benchmark scores, over 45,000. You want a minimum of 55,000 or more if you want serious future-proofing power. That gives your AI fast decision throughput and rapid execution. Your bot doesn't just think fast, it moves fast. Now let's talk about the real AI muscle, the GPU, the graphics processing unit. This is where most people either massively overspend or they massively misunderstand. Your graphics card is not about charts and monitors or pretty visuals anymore. It's about parallel math processing. AI models run thousands, sometimes millions of calculations simultaneously, and GPUs are built to do exactly that. If the CPU is the strategist, the GPU is the army. Modern AI-capable GPUs have specialized tensor cores designed specifically for machine learning and operations. That means faster model inference, faster pattern recognition, faster optimization, and faster backtesting acceleration. In simple English, your bot can analyze more market possibilities in less time before that trade window closes. And here's a big one most traders miss. Video RAM, also known as VRAM. Your AI models live in the GPU memory when they're running, and if the model doesn't fit in the memory, performance tanks, or it offloads it to the system RAM, which is dramatically slower. For serious AI trading bots, think 16 gigabytes minimum of VRAM if you're running really heavy models, multiple bots, or doing training or optimization locally on your machine. This is not gaming anymore. This is computational trading infrastructure. Next, let's talk about your RAM. This one is simple, but it's brutally important. RAM is your trading workspace. It's your whiteboard for your processor. Every data set, every price series, every model input, every active process, every open chart, every background calculation lives here. If RAM fills up, your system starts using storage and temporary memory. And even the fastest SSD is orders of magnitude slower than real RAM. For AI bot trading today, 64 gigabytes is the absolute minimum baseline. 128 gigabytes is where professional multi-model setups become comfortable. If you run multiple strategies, heavy data sets, or optimization cycles, more RAM means smoother execution and fewer slowdowns. And slowdowns during trading are unacceptable. Now let's talk about storage. Storage doesn't make decisions, but it feeds everything that does. Market data loads from storage, models load from storage, logs write to storage, historical data sets stream from storage. If your storage is slow, everything waits. And this is why NVMe SSDs are mandatory. and preferably high-speed Gen 4 or Gen 5 drives. You want instant data access because AI trading and AI trading bots are like high-frequency thinking. It's constantly pulling information. If that information arrives late, your decisions are already outdated. Another thing, cooling, massively underrated. AI workloads are sustained heavy loads, not short bursts. And heat causes thermal throttling. Thermal throttling reduces clock speed. Reduced clock speed means slow execution. Your expensive hardware literally underperforms because it's hot. Professional cooling systems equal consistent performance. And let's talk about the quality of your power supply in that machine, because it's critical. AI loads spike power draw aggressively, especially the GPUs, and unstable power causes crashes, instability, or component stress. You want a high-quality power supply with plenty of headroom, no cheap power when real money's on the line. And finally, system balance. And this is where most DIY builds fail. People overspend on one component and they underbuild on another, and that creates bottlenecks. They'll buy a monster GPU, but then a weak CPU. Or they have a great CPU, but not enough RAM. They have fast hardware, but poor cooling. That's not optimization, that's imbalance. A real AI trading machine is engineered like a performance vehicle. Every component supports the others. No bottlenecks, no waiting, no throttling, just continuous computational flow. Now, if you want my full professional breakdown of trading computer architecture and AI trading architecture, the benchmark standards, the component tiers, and the exact performance recommendations, grab my complete guide to trading computers. That link is in the description. And if you don't want to figure all this out yourself, we build fully optimized trading and AI-ready machines at Easy Trading Computers. They're designed specifically for execution speed, stability, and real trading workloads. No guesswork, no mismatched parts, just performance. See the link below. The bottom line, AI trading is not just about strategy anymore. It's about your hardware infrastructure, because the trader with the faster machine doesn't just compute faster, they act sooner, they fill sooner, they adapt sooner. And in markets, sooner wins. And if this helped you understand what actually powers AI trading performance, slam the subscribe button. And if you want to see what is the world's greatest trading computer, you want to watch this video next. My name's Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.